Hey everyone, welcome back again. So, this is the reference for today's painting. I painted this one few weeks back using gouache medium, and now let's just paint the same using acrylics. So, here is the palette, and now let's just make a purple shade using blue and red. Add white to it, and the amount of white which you will be adding to the color depends on the kind of shade you want for your background. Here I'm going with bit of a darker shade and just covering the whole canvas with the same. Now we will be adding clouds to our painting. For that, mix a lighter shade of purple and use a round brush to create these round and random patterns. Desaturate the same mixture again by adding a bit more white to it, and now I'm using this to add highlights on the top. Once you are done with this, now comes the easiest part of the painting. You just have to work with black to create all other elements of the painting. Here I'm going with the palm tree. You can draw a building, a basic simple tree, or any other element you like. After this, now we will be painting some string lights or fairy lights. For that, draw two strings in such a way that they cross each other. Now add these vertical marks for adding bulbs. Use a bright shade of yellow to add these circular dots over the top. Once you are done with this step, now add white dots to the middle of these circular bulbs to create an illusion of glow. So that's it for today, and I will be meeting you again with another tutorial soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.